Hello, Charles from Octave here, and today I'm going to be covering runtime context. So, runtime context is any data that you're sourcing in Clay, N8N, or any of your other data sources that you want to inject into the Octave agent at the last mile on a person or account level. So, for instance, we're going to do an example here. We're messaging myself about Octave. If we add runtime context here, let's add some email one context. Octave just raised a seed round of 5.5 million. This took place a few months ago, but we're going to just mention that there, and then we're going to say congratulate them on the raise. This is very simple and basic signals. I recommend finding something a bit more niche than a fundraise because everybody will be utilizing that data. So digging a little bit deeper and being more specific or nuanced with your runtime context is always better. Just selecting this for the sake of an example. So here we can see that we gave the instructions to congratulate them on the raise and incorporate that into the question that is asked at the end of the email. Here you can see that we say Octave just raised a seed round of 5.5 million. That jump in runway usually means faster hiring and more campaigns to run, which can expose gaps in how proven outreach gets shared across a growing team. So taking this piece of context and generating some pain points that might come with a big raise or some hurdles that teams often run into. And then we also have it running into how are we planning to lock in messaging as we scale given the raise. So this is the example of runtime context. You can add runtime context at a all emails level or on a per email level, depending on how differentiated and specific you want to be given the data, as well as how to use the instructions. As always, we're happy to help, and we're accessible via our Slack community. Thanks again for watching, and have a great rest of your afternoon.